Welcome to Interfaces. Define flexible contracts for classes. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Different classes need to share the same actions, but inheritance is too rigid. How do we define common behavior? Multiple inheritance is not allowed. Classes need flexible contracts. Code must work with different types. Interfaces define a contract that classes can implement, enabling polymorphism. How is interfaces used in the real world? Payment systems, multiple payment method support, plug-in architecture, extend app functionality easily, database abstraction, switch between different databases. Interfaces powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without interfaces? Creating rigid classes that cannot share behaviors. Look at how messy the code gets. No contract for shared behavior. Cannot enforce method signatures. No polymorphism. Guarantee there has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. Interfaces. Look how clean the code is now. Multiple inheritance. Loose coupling. Polymorphism support. Compare the difference. And that is why we use interfaces. Let's see how to implement interfaces in code. Here is the implementation. Define interface. Create animal interface. Declare method. Specify required behavior. Implement interface. Dog class uses animal. Override method. Provide concrete implementation. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What keyword defines an interface in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is use interface keyword to define interfaces. What's the default access modifier for interface methods? Which one is correct? The correct answer is interface methods are public by default. Which keyword is used to implement an interface? Which one is correct? The correct answer is use implements keyword to implement interfaces. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is circles draw overrides default method. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.